Hey, I'm Dave Knight with the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, and we love being a real estate resource for people. Today's question is, after I've done a $200,000 remodel on my house, how do I make sure I'm properly insured? So this question came from a client of ours who's an architect, and he's doing a architectural drawings and then remodel for somebody. He's going to spend around $200,000 to $300,000, and this is what the client, the homeowner, asked him. And so he came to me. And so what I did, sometimes I know the answer, sometimes I have to call the expert to find out. So in this case, I called a client who's the owner of an insurance company, and here's what she said. A couple things. They don't have, first of all, they don't do an appraisal, so there's no additional appraiser that comes out to reappraise the property after you've done the work. She said all you need to do is just call the insurance provider and let them know what you've done. In some cases, it's simple. We did $200,000 worth of work. In some cases, if it may be more complex, they do have algorithms for where they'll determine the value and the extra needed coverage. So what she said is make sure that you're not underinsured. So make sure you call the insurance company and let them know what you've done. The second thing, which was interesting that she said, is that you don't receive value for being overinsured. So if your house did burn down or there's something terrible that happened and you lost the home, you wouldn't receive an additional benefit from being overinsured, which was an interesting comment she made. The other interesting thing she said that I'll throw in there is that there's a lot of people doing accessory dwelling units or ADUs right now. And one thing insurance companies are doing is that when those are added, some insurance companies are not providing coverage for those, and they're dropping those clients because of adding on the accessory dwelling unit. So if you are thinking about an ADU, make sure you check with your insurance company to find out if they can insure that. And if not, have a plan for insuring that once you've completed it, especially if you're going to rent it out. So hopefully this helps answer your question. Sometimes there's questions that I don't know the answer to. You're always welcome to reach out. I usually know the person that can help answer it, and I'm always glad to find out for you. Make it a great day. We'll see you on the next video.